Nowadays, the media has fed us with so much negative content that we've forgotten humanity still exists. Let's take a moment to witness these random acts of kindness that are going on all around us, but maybe we didn't notice. Dogs truly are man's best friend. And this man lost his best friend in an accident. His daughter knows how much it meant to him, so she got him a brand new best friend.
Oh, he loves you. He's nuzzling right in.
You know you're having a bad day when your head gets stuck in a cup. Like this poor squirrel. All it took was just a little bit of help, and he's having a better day now. We have a squirrel that thinks he's Spider-Man, and he's thirsty. Would you help him out with a drink? Though this man in blue had lost the match, he still helps the winner stand up. What a great guy. I love it when animals trust humans to save them. What a cute cat. Big brother to the rescue. It's raining cats and dogs, but he doesn't want his little sister getting wet, so what else are you supposed to do? Use your shirt to cover up her head. What a great brother. Delivery drivers don't always get appreciated for the hard work they do for us. But this homeowner left a note for her delivery driver, and now she's made her day.
Thank you.
While we're on the subject of delivery drivers, this guy obviously is a cat lover.
Were you playing with the cat?
Hey, I was playing. Have a good day.
Thank you.
When disaster strikes, keeping a cool head can make all the difference. Plus, using whatever's available to help people out, like this excavator. This dog is dog tired, and the lady sitting next to him says, "All right, you can use my pillow." She definitely knows how to make a new friend. I love it when I see people who see animals in need and aren't afraid to help them out. This dog was definitely in a predicament and thirsty, but this man took time out to save him. This girl was so tired she didn't realize she'd fallen asleep on the stranger's shoulder. When she wakes up embarrassed, the kind stranger says, "It's okay. Continue to use my shoulder. It's all right." This teenager got caught stealing all the Halloween candy, but the two kids that come up later give you a great example that's so heartwarming. They fill up the basket from their candy so other kids can have a treat. What do you do when you have a boulder in the middle of the road? You move it, like this guy did, to get it out of the way. This cat said, "Yes, please. Could I have a couple of pieces of meat if you don't mind? Thank you very much." And the butcher actually looks like he's having a great time giving it to him. This guy's helping his neighbor carry her couch for her. There's no laying down on the job for this guy, and it makes a huge difference in this woman's life.
Somebody needed help with the couch.
This guy missed his target by that much, and it could have been fatal, but the people around him saved his life. Have you ever seen one of those human statues? This guy is really doing a great job until a little guy wants a hug. He had to give in. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. This guy tries to commit suicide by jumping in front of the train, but the guard notices and drags him off the tracks just in the nick of time. Here's another story of being in the right place at the right time. This group of people are having a great time at the beach when they notice a child drowning in the sea. Fortunately, they saved the day. This cat heard there was a party going on and thought he might get a snack. This kind-hearted guy decided he would share. Everybody needs a helping hand from time to time, and this little guy needed one to get out of the water slide. This guy's really going out of his way so this lady can enjoy the concert too. What a nice guy. This car was almost falling to its doom, but teamwork saved the day. This mommy zebra had lost her son in the water. Thankfully, these guys helped to reunite them once again. When you don't have much in the world, the simplest things can mean a lot. Look at the joy these simple treats mean to these kids. This player had tripped over a trash can, but he didn't feel like he was too big to pick it up. What a great guy. When you're having a bad day, like this guy did, having a small accident on his scooter, strangers decided to help him out and help brighten his day. Teaching humility and kindness can never start too young, like this little girl who's being humble and kind and giving this blanket to this homeless man.
Just want you to be warm.
Oh, my name's Gordon.
When we lose somebody we love, it's a tragedy. This man lost his parents and shows he can't control his tears after receiving a painting of them. Knowing what to do at the right time can make all the difference. This poor dog was suffering from heat stroke, but this man, having been trained, knows what to do.
You get there, boy. You get
All
there,
right,
boy.
all right, come on.
Come on.
There's nothing worse than feeling helpless, like these poor ducklings that don't know how to climb and their mom wants them to get across the street. Then comes this little boy to the rescue. Way to go. A random act of kindness can take all shapes and forms, like when this old man passed out in the middle of the road. People around him were kind to help him out. Sometimes you just have to take matters into your own hands, like when this horrible truck accident happened. Strangers couldn't wait for the rescuers, so they saved the victim by themselves. This woman went out of her way in the middle of the night to give blankets to keep these homeless people warm. They say most of us are just one paycheck away from being homeless. We need to remember we need to be kind to everyone. To watch more of such moral empowering videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.